Good morning, students. Today we will revise 1.3 and 1.4. Okay, 1.3 is the poem In Time of Silver Rain. In time of silver rain, the earth puts forth new life again. Green grasses grow and flowers lift their heads, and over all the plain the wonder spreads. O life, O life, O life. In time of silver rain, the butterfly lifts silken wings to catch a rainbow cry, and tree puts forth new leaves to sing in joy beneath the sky as down the roadway passing boys and girls go singing too. In the time of silver rain, when the spring and the life are new. Okay, this is what the poem is. In this poem, the poet says that when the rain falls on the earth develops new life again. मतलब उसमें नए जान आती है. New grasses are grown, flowers are blooming and all. New twigs are coming out of the plant trees and all. So they put new life to the earth. Okay, plants, everything is it is completely greenery during the rainy seasons. The kids love to play in that rain and all. So it is a new life for them also. Children are enjoying the rain. In the second stanza, it is said that when the silver rain falls on the earth, the butterfly lift their silken wings. Okay, when the rain falls, the butterfly, what they do? They lift their silken wings to catch the rainbow. The tree produces new leaves to sing in joy beneath the sky, and new leaves are formed on the trees. Boys and girls who are passing by on the road also sing. I said earlier, yes, boys and girls enjoy the rain. They come out from their houses to get wet in the rain and enjoy singing songs and all. In the time of silvering, spring and life are both new. This is what it is explained in the poem. After a long time, when it rains, now it creates something energy of life to everything. That is what it is mentioned in this poem. Now we will take the next lesson, that is the King's Choice. I explained it earlier also. There was a lion who was the king of the forest. He wanted to have a court, so he see over here. So he wanted the courtiers for the court, and so he selected some of them. One was there, this fox to be an advisor, leopard to be a bodyguard, and a vulture as a messenger. Okay, this was the three who were the courtiers of the lion of the forest. One day what happened? The vulture said that he had seen a camel and they were planning to kill the camel and have the meal. He give the message to the king that he has seen a camel over there, and we would better go and take that camel and have the camel flesh. So they moved to the desert, and you know very well the camel stays in the desert area, not in the forest, and these animals are wild animals who stay in the forest. In the forest we have all greenery and all trees and all, and the desert it is totally only a sand. The land is covered complete with this sand. So they all plan to go how to trap a camel and goes for the desert, go to the desert. Okay, while traveling, the king's paws started to hurt because it was very hot in the desert area. The sun was very bright and the sand was burning like a hell, and he could not walk on the sand. यानी उसको लायन को वहाँ पे डेजर्ट एरिया में चल नहीं पा रहा था, क्योंकि गर्मी की वजह से क्या होता है, सैंड तपने लगता है और पैर में छाले पड़ने शुरू हो जाते, तो वो चल नहीं पा रहा था. ओके, सी over here, I am just So he was not able to walk. The lion was not able to walk, so he wanted to go back to the forest, and he tells his courtiers that we will move back because he is unable to walk. Now the clever fox is making a plan. He said, I will go out and look for the camel and bring some help. After running for some time, the fox found the camel. Okay, after going for a while, he found the camel and he was indeed surprised to see him. What he tells the fox, our kings want to see you at once. What he tells to the camel, that our king's lion want to see you. And the camel was unknown with the things. All said, your king, who is that? I do not know any king, because camel don't know any king. He has only the master who carries him for carrying the goods in the desert. Our king, the lion, has killed your master. Now what this clever cunning fox says, your master has been killed by my king, so you are free. There is no one and you are not a slave anymore. The lion has invited you to live in the court. The camel followed the fox. After hearing this, the camel followed the fox and he went towards the lion. When the fox and the camel reached the lion camp, the vulture and the leopard were surprised. All were surprised to see the camel. Even the lion also pleased in spite of his burnt paws. Now he was happy to see the camel, because he was expecting that, and he was hungry also. He was expecting the camel to eat. The camel was presented to the king. He agreed to serve the lion in return for a home at the court. And he agrees that he will stay with the lion because he has no home, and then now he can stay in the court. Okay. And what happens? The king was not able to walk because his paws were burned up. So what he did, he landed on the camel's back. He sat on the camel's back, and they were all back to the forest. This vulture, fox and all, they were planning to kill the camel, and they were making such plans over there. See over here, the fox and the leopard looked at the camel. They looked at each other and smiled angry smiles. Okay, and they were planning. These three were planning to kill the camel so that they can have the part of it. They had brought the camel for the king's dinner. Now it is time for the feast. The lion king knew that their courtiers were thinking, and this lion was also what we can smart. He was clever. He understood the planning of this courtiers. Friend camel, he said, I have to thank you for saving my life. You are welcome to live in court as long as you like. I promise you my protections. Okay, then what he says to the camel, that I am very thankful to you because you saved my life, and I promise you your protection. He says, I will protect you. The lion's courtiers were shocked to hear this, and they thought they could not get the camel meat to have it. The courtiers made a plan that each of them will come in front of the lion and say that to have say the lion that to have them to eat. Okay, अपने आप को पेश करेंगे खाने के लिए. Okay. I know, said the fox, after we shall make the camel has to be eaten. They were planning that एक करके वो सामने आएंगे राजा के और बोलेंगे कि आप मुझे खा जाओ. At last वो लोग, what the camel will do, he will offer himself to the king. This was their plan. Okay. As they planned, what they did, they offered themselves in front of the king. King heard all these things, and later what he says, okay, if you are insisting to do me so, अगर आप लोग चाहते हो कि मैं आप लोगों को खा जाऊँ, तो जिस तरह से आपने एक एक करके आए थे वैसे एक एक करके मेरे सामने आ जाओ, मैं आप लोगों को खा लूँगा. Okay. Hearing this all three courtiers ran away. Okay. And now the lion started laughing, cheering them. Okay, lion laughed to see them go. Then he turned to the camel and said, you have been loyal and good. You shall be my friend as long as we live. And what he tells to the camel, you are my friend As long we live, we are both friends. The camel was happy and grateful. The lion thought of himself, to be a king is good, but to be kind is better. मतलब एक राजा होना अच्छी बात है, बट एक अच्छा राजा होना और उससे भी अच्छी बात है, क्योंकि उसमें ह्यूमैनिटी, वी कांट से इट इज ह्यूमैनिटी, बीइंग अ एनिमल्स they had the feeling for the other animals also. This is what the lesson it was. Now I would say to you that in your exam you will be having a multiple choice questions. मतलब आपको एक सवाल पूछा जाएगा, आपको उसके 3 ऑप्शंस दिए जाएंगे, उसमें से जो भी 3 ऑप्शन में से राइट, एक जो राइट रहेगा उसको आपको टिक करना है, बताना है. दैट इज़ व्हाट इन द ये आपने कहीं भी मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस देखे होंगे. ओके, तो वी हैव टू डू दैट थिंग. वन सैम्पल आई विल बी शोइंग यू. सी ओवर हियर, ये ऐसे ही मल्टीपल चॉइस है. यहाँ पे देखो ऑक्स वांट, ये दूसरा स्टैंडर्ड का है, पर आपको सिर्फ एक आइडिया देने के लिए बता रही हूँ मैं कि ऑक्स वांटेड टू ईट द हे, टू रेस्ट, टू एंड नन. इसमें से टू ईट द हे ये एक राइट आंसर है. तो ऐसे मल्टीपल चॉइस के क्वेश्चंस आपको दिए जाएंगे. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स भी मल्टीपल चॉइस में डाला जाएगा, ग्रामर का पोर्शन भी मल्टीपल चॉइस में, इवन द पैसेज क्वेश्चंस जो आपको दिएंगे, पैसेज में क्वेश्चन वो भी मल्टीपल चॉइस के होंगे. तो उसमें से करेक्ट चूज़ करके आपको टिक करके सबमिट करना है अपने ग्रुप में. ओके, थैंक यू फॉर दैट.